adrenaline junkies, this one's for you. The world's most extreme firewood processing machines, chainsaws that dwarf everything you've seen before. Get ready for a sensory overload of power and destruction. It's about to get loud. The RABAUDXYLOG 520 represents a significant advancement in firewood processing technology. With a robust 520mm cutting diameter and a 22-ton splitting force enhanced by ISO Power's variable speed, this machine is engineered for high-volume professional operations. The inclusion of a carbide-tipped circular saw blade with linear hydraulic actuation ensures precise and efficient cutting. The operator's comfort is prioritized with an ergonomic control station featuring a soundproof cabin, climate control, and both heating and air conditioning. Winter's coming, and with it, the need for firewood. But who has time to chop all that wood? That's where the Cord King 48 comes in. This isn't just a machine, it's a solution. An 80-horsepower John Deere engine powers this system that saws, splits, and conveys, making short work of a big chore. A frostbite grapple mounted on a John Deere 6100 keeps the processor fed. Problem solved. Your back will thank you for this invention. The LogMax 7000 XT represents a significant advancement in harvesting technology. Its impressive 80-centimeter cutting capacity, integrated with the sophisticated LogMate 510 control system, optimizes operational efficiency. Notably, the incorporation of active friction control technology addresses critical concerns regarding equipment durability and maintenance costs. This harvester is a clear demonstration of engineering excellence. Are you tired of back-breaking manual log splitting? This DIY solution, featuring a stepper crane and a 30-ton splitter, might be your answer. This setup is designed for efficiency, tackling large, unwieldy logs with ease. It will save you time, energy, and probably a trip to the chiropractor. We're talking about turning a major chore into a quick and simple task. If you're serious about your firewood, this is a must-see. The mechanical advantages of this splitter design are quite evident, especially when processing knot-free woods like birch. The rectilinear grain of birch allows for predictable cleavage, maximizing the tool's efficiency. However, the efficacy of this device may be challenged by hardwoods with more complex, interlocking grain patterns, such as apple and elm. What do you think? Hey everyone, let's talk log splitting, a task we all know can be a real pain. But what if there was an easier way? Check this out. This splitter is designed for those larger diameter blocks that can really test your strength. What do you think? Pretty ingenious, right? I love how it takes the strain out of the process. Who here has struggled with heavy lifting while splitting wood? You know, this work is seriously intense. We gotta be super careful on these slopes because even the tiniest mistake can be really bad. And honestly, you can't really get a feel for how scary this downhill is just from watching it on camera. Hey everyone, get a load of this camphor tree. It's massive. And look at that base, it's seriously huge. You know what that means, right? A whole mess of roots underground. Getting this thing out of here is going to be a real project, not just a quick yank. I'm talking multiple steps, probably some heavy machinery. Let's watch and see how these guys handle this beast. Let me tell you, nature's totally wild and can totally screw you over sometimes with some major headaches, literally and figuratively. What? For real? How does this even come about? This is some next level stuff, I'm telling you.
Beautiful.
This is Armando Augusto Silva, LDA, showcasing their impressive debarking and chipping lines. These systems are essential for a wide range of industries, from the pellets that heat our homes to the composites used in construction, and even the paper we use every day. What makes Armando Augusto Silva stand out? They handle everything in-house, from the initial design to the final product. It's a full-service approach that guarantees quality and efficiency. So, what do you think? Pretty cool, right? Isn't it mind-blowing? This solid piece of wood, something we use to build houses and furniture, started as a tiny seed. Just think about it. A little seed, then a fragile sapling, and now, this. It's hard to believe it's the same thing. It makes you wonder about the journey, doesn't it? What storms did it weather? What seasons did it witness? Imagine the stories this tree could tell if it could talk. It's truly incredible how nature can create something so strong and so beautiful from such a humble beginning. That splitter is so great. All you need is an electric motor for an oil pump. How great is that? This machine will save you time and effort. Say goodbye to the hassles of manual wood splitting and hello to a simple, effective solution. This splitter is amazing. All you need is an electric motor for an oil pump and a small cost. Can you believe it? A homemade wood splitter that's simple, powerful, and economical. I was totally surprised when I first saw it. Get ready to be amazed. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire.
Worst thing ever has happened to us. This isn't going to be a video.
Imagine this. A barco, right? Huge logging machine. Starts sliding down a hill, then it completely rolls over.
Come on, baby, you go.
And it doesn't stop there. It drags a skidder into a ditch. They said it was a horrible day out logging. You really never know what each day will bring. Hey everyone! Has anyone here ever struggled with post-storm cleanup? I bet many of you have. So pay attention because I have an awesome product to introduce. The Moose Max WT11XLZ. This wood chipper is truly a game changer. Imagine, after a storm, everything's a mess, and you need to clean up. The WT11XLZ will help you handle it all, turning wood into chips to power an industrial boiler. Well, this DIY firewood cutter is simple and effective. However, its safety features clearly require improvement.
That frostbite bucket on it. Those things are handy.
There's a new lumberjack in town, and it's the Cord King Model 48. This thing is a metal monster with a John Deere heart, 80 horsepower of pure wood-chomping power. I saw it turn logs into firewood faster than a squirrel stashing nuts for winter. And the John Deere 6100 tractor with that frostbite grapple? It's like a lumberjack's robot sidekick, always ready with the next log. The Cord King Model 48 is truly a great way to get the firewood you need.
There's not a whole lot here. We got a whole lot back there, so we're ahead of them. You don't get much better firewood than that. And what they do is
If we're talking about convenience and efficiency, this device can totally deliver. But if we're talking about safety, it's definitely a disaster. timber handling and sorting can be a real bottleneck in forestry operations. The Nisula 425C with its integrated grapple arms addresses this challenge head-on. The NCU3 system ensures a firm grip without damaging the timber, minimizing waste. Plus, the ability to load without changing the head saves valuable time and resources. So, this is an efficient option for any logger, really. Hull oaks represents a fascinating evolution in industrial history. Initially steam-powered, their transition to electricity underscores the broader shift of that era. Today, they've carved a niche in sourcing rare boat components. This PV is a perfect example of early logging tools, highlighting the immense scale of lumber operations. What we are looking at here is truly a piece of history. Hey, are you looking for a wood grinder that's both powerful and practical? Check out the Duratec HD9. This beast has a 275 to 300 horsepower engine, meaning it can handle serious wood waste. Need to process large branches and roots? No problem. With its wide tub and efficient hammer system, you'll get the job done quickly. Ever wish there's a way to simplify waste wood handling? Here is the answer. Wow, just wow! Look at that trunk. It's like this tree has been here forever. A giant cedar, hundreds of years old, and it's seen it all. But check out how the logger took it down. Smooth, clean, not a single wasted move, like a dance.
Oh yeah! There she goes!
And can you believe how big around it is? Over 8 feet. It's even more amazing than I thought it would be. We've got a machine here that's seriously fast for home use. Who doesn't love a bit of speed, right? But here's the kicker. It's incredibly simple and budget-friendly because it doesn't rely on those expensive hydraulic systems. Now, safety is paramount, so always use your common sense. But what do you think of a machine that combines speed and affordability like this? Let me know in the comments. Let's face it, who among us hasn't wrestled with a stubborn tree stump? I know I have. That's why I'm thrilled to share this with you. Say hello to the Ramtech XT-Hoe, a machine that's not just a tool, but a lifesaver for those of us who've battled with unsightly tree remains. Did you see how it handles those stumps like they're nothing? I swear, it's the coolest thing you'll ever see. That was a close one. If that tree had fallen the other way, it would have been a total disaster. Let me introduce you to the SSI Quad Q85ED, a shredding powerhouse. This machine is designed with 4 cutting shafts, ensuring consistent particle size regardless of the material. Whether it's mixed waste, plastics, wood, or even metal, this shredder handles it all. It packs a punch with dual 200 horsepower motors and features a shock protection system for added durability. Man, that was crazy. This guy's got some serious skills behind the wheel. Well, let me introduce you to this fascinating machine, the TN130T branch cutter. Imagine this. It gobbles up branches, even thick ones, and spits out perfectly sized wood pieces. It's like a wood transforming wizard. It has these tough, sharp knives that can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. And the best part? You can use that processed wood as fuel. Isn't that neat? It's a story of resourcefulness, and this machine is the star.
Сейчас. А так будет как полюбить.
Да, і не видно, да, що була дуже робота.
Даже нет. Вот есть у нас.
I stumbled upon this amazing machine, the Super Split Model J. It's got these massive 75-pound flywheels, you see, that build up incredible energy. And the way it's built, a solid pusher with bearings, riding smooth under an I-beam, it's like a perfectly choreographed dance of power and precision. Seriously intriguing. I've seen my fair share of innovative tools, but this homemade log splitter is a standout. It leverages an RCD-250 gearbox with a 1:25 gear ratio, coupled with a robust 7.5 horsepower gasoline engine. This combination ensures powerful, efficient splitting while maintaining safety. Its cost-effective, user-friendly design makes it ideal for households. This is engineering at its finest, folks, blending efficiency, safety, and affordability. Heavy hauling isn't just about big trucks. It's about masterful skill and knowing your rig inside and out. These drivers make it look easy, but it takes years of experience to handle those loads safely. Okay, everyone, let's meet the Schepzer, the mobile debarker all the way from Germany. Take a look at this dinosaur-like machine in action. Swift and efficient, stripping away bark without any fuss. You'll be amazed by how it handles logs with ease. And trust me, if you're in the lumber industry, this is the machine you need by your side. No need for a lengthy explanation. Once you see it, you'll get it. Looking at the Petzolato PTH1200N/1000M. This is not your average wood chipper. This is a beast on tracks, powered by a monstrous 796 horsepower Volvo engine. What sets this unit apart is the design. Petzolato has gone with a direct drive system. No power sapping crane or hydraulic fan. All the horses go straight to the massive, radio-controlled drum, giving it consistent output. This, my folks, is the future of wood chipping, and it's awesome. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. So, what did you think? Were you blown away by the sheer size and capability of these machines? If you were, give this video a thumbs up and tell us which machine impressed you the most. And don't forget to subscribe for more adrenaline-fueled adventures.